Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to repair your Bose headphone with the new cushions very easily. And you can buy on Amazon. I placed the link in the description. But if you buy the Bose cushion, it will cost you more money. I bought this replacement compatible and they cost only $7 or $10. And of course they break because I bought this one like 2 years ago and they broke now. But before this I have the Bose and they broke too. So to me it doesn't matter. But we'll just go in the tutorial and let's see how to replace them. Okay, so you take the headphone and you pull like that. You can see it's broken. And then you can leave maybe this one here. So yes, we'll just leave that. So now we'll take one of our cushion. They are probably identical. And there is some kind of adhesive here. I don't remember how I did it here. If I don't see any adhesive. No. Oh no, there is that. Somehow this part I didn't use it last time. So we'll not use it. So you just take this and you push it until it clicks and they are locked. There are some things to lock it. Alright, let's try. Okay, I remember last time I used a pen to push it right from the edge in. Okay. Good. Okay, I think it's already done. Look. Perfect. That was easy. This one is already good, so we're done. If you see something that's coming out here, you can push more, but I don't see anything is coming out. So we're done. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so now as you can see, the cushion was replaced. It took me a minute and now looks already great. I didn't use this part because the new Bose you can see left and right, so it's much better without. So if you like my video, put a like, make a comment, share it, subscribe to the channel, and in the description the link to Amazon. See you next time, bye.